you talking about a car culture, welcome to the gang. Team illusion on the block, we meet up every day. We always switching lanes, we ain't never switching up. Put the pedal to the metal if you trying to keep
you made this?
Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to install, give me 1 second. I'm going to install paddle shifters on my Q50. The thing, I never installed them before because I was looking at some forums and instructions about the car. I heard the signature edition, the 17. They don't have the wire harness or the pre-wire system. And so I had to get them aftermarket. I ordered them, they said they're gonna come. I have to wait and then I can install them. But right now, I'm just gonna install the pedal shifters. I had these since I got the car. When I reviewed the car, I had them. I bought the piece and everything. See? I bought everything, harness, some hardware. So I got this for a good offer around $150 with everything. But once I noticed that I couldn't install them, I didn't bother installing them because I didn't have the wires. So as you can see, this has power steering wheel adjustment. I don't have that. I have the manual one though. You have the flicking thingy. Let me show you. Alright. I don't know if you can see in the bottom. As you can see, where is it? See, I have the manual one that you just tilt the thing down and up. And I didn't mind about that. I could pre-cut it and everything. But I know I had an issue with that. Since I'm looking here right now, this is the top. This is the bottom. Yeah, this is the bottom. So when I take the other one out, I'm gonna mark the plastic. I'm gonna cut the trim so it will fit. This goes like this, so somewhere like that. I believe so. I'll check it out right now. Let me go inside and check it out. I'm gonna put this in the side and continue doing it now, and that's it. But you need to move the steering wheel left and right. I'll show you. I need the keys. Give me 1 second. See these two plastic covers? Right here and right here. I'm gonna take it out. Which I did before. They just pop out. And then you have a, I believe, let me focus that, a Phillips screwdriver right there. All you need is this. Do the same with the other one. Now, for the other one, I believe there's one right there. This one, right? Yep, one. I don't know if you can see it, I'm sorry. I need my hands for this. Yep, I got it. It fell down. All right. So, just managed to take this out. Jiggle it out. They should come out. Oh, back to the video. Just try to gently. It was hard. Just try to jiggle this out. I believe I'm keeping this because they're the same. I'm just taking the bottom part out. It's not the same, so I supposedly you're supposed to jiggle this part out and this one out too. I don't have a lot of time because I have to work. See, you gotta take this part out and do the same with the other one, and that's it. And then it comes out. I think that's a different setup. I don't know if it's gonna grab. Yeah, that's a different setup. But still, I'm gonna try to be able to. Let's see. This is the piece. Yep. Same height. The back is different. So sorry, I finished eating. So I just placed this on top of it just to mark them down with a white pencil. Now the thing is, see this like little tiny clips right here? One second, oh shit. I have to cut that in order for that piece, for the handle to fit. I don't think so. I have to cut a lot. I'm gonna see right now. How far is it? I believe I need. Oh shit! I believe I need my fingers though. If I put this inside here. Oh, I do need a lot. 2 fingers, like 1 finger and a half. Okay. 1 finger and a half. Which is, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna need to cut the whole thing. I'm just gonna probably cut, like I believe over here. before we start, just let me. Oh shit! Before we even start, let me just connect them, and if I have to work, I don't mind working because I'm gonna leave the car in here because I'm in my lunch break. So, for example, they're in great condition. Nice condition. They used to usually go like this. See? The literally's yeah, like that. They go like that. It came with a hardware thing. So you do need a wrench. Give me 1 second. Sorry for the mess. Alright. So I don't think these are the way. What we have is this and 2 nuts and 2 screws. Screws are gonna go right here. I believe I need a washer. That can't be it. Nah. Oh, never mind. Not these two. I don't even know where these goes. But I know it's this one. It goes right here. I'm gonna tie it up. The other one goes right here, that little hole. If I can gently get it. I'm gonna tighten it up. That's it. See, the reason I can't put it because there's no wires. Pre-wires thingy that said. Supposedly this comes with a tape here. There's nothing, I already opened it. I don't know what it's this. And I'm missing. So I can't do anything. I heard that I have to take the whole thing out. He told me I have to take the whole thing out and put some wires over there inside there. And then that's when I can activate these. But for now, I'm just gonna put both of them on. And hi guys, as you can see, I installed it. It's the size socket is a 10 millimeters, and you need probably an extension and a normal ratchet, but I got the electric one. And yeah, I already connect them to be a nice gripping. Now, I don't know if I had time. I'm gonna do it myself. So I took the whole piece out. So you see how it has a little cut. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Cut it a little bit and that's it. I'm gonna cut it down to the piece and that's it. All that needs to slide through. Something looks like. So, I mean, as you can clearly see, they look identical, but I'm not gonna cut this line right here. I'm just gonna leave it this so I can just slide off like that. But I would have to cut the little hole for the pedal shifters. Could have been worse. See? Oh, where is it? My bad. Could have been worse. So I have the, it's like a grindy thing. I'm gonna just smooth the edge. Like that, without breaking it, and that's it. I believe it was gonna work. I'm gonna do the same thing the other side, but I don't know how to replicate this one since this is the reverse side. So I already cut it, so you can see. Hopefully they fit. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have a problem. A little upgrade, guys. If this fit perfectly, I nailed it. I mean, I didn't put it back together though. See? That is cutting the hole. That's my grinder. But everything's back together. See? But other than that, it's nice. So it is the next, no, not the next day, my bad. Oh. Anyways, I installed the pedal shifters on Monday, and the package I got received was on Wednesday or Thursday. So the package was right here. For you, signature edition Lux for the 2014 and up, just in case you get the base model or the signature edition or the Lux edition. That's the thing for you need for the pedal shifter. Let me show you. All right, I want to give a shout out to A2Z Autos for the harness. He hooked me up with a good deal, and I'm gonna leave the link, his Instagram, because he said to DM him if you need anything. He has from from shift knob, pedal shifters, steering wheels. He has a lot of things. Like for the 18, the pedal shifter for the 2018 G35. G37s, BMWs, all the stuff. Just he got brake calipers, the big brake kicks, everything. All you need is on him. It's a good deal though. So I'm gonna leave the link in the bottom, or I'm gonna leave a picture around here so you can see his Instagram and DM him. So this is it. He said it's plug and play. You're not gonna need mostly anything, just a ratchet with it, just to connect this on a negative on ground. Just connect it on the ground, that's it. This is plug and play from the rear gauge cluster. So, and these are the connectors for the pedal shifters, which I needed. It never came. I don't know why Infinity stopped doing that, but. And you got, oh shit. You got screws and nuts and bolts. So that's him. Look for Andrew, yeah. Andrew hooked me up with that. Ask for me for my name, Richie, and he knows I'm the one who sent you there. So let's get started. Let me get the tools and everything. I'm in a parking spot right now, so let me get the tools and everything, and I continue whatever I have to do. So pull it down and put it out, so you can just pull this right here, this leather thing strap. Just put it up, and that's it. You get access. Once you do that, just pull this out. See? But I'm gonna turn the car off. I don't want nothing to break. So, and after that, you see probably. After that, you see one screw right there, and one over there in the corner. I didn't take it out yet. I'll have to turn the car off. So once you get there, you take this thing out, put that thing there, and I'll show you the rest. Okay, so once you pull this out, just gently take it out, don't break it. Okay, so disconnect this harness right here. I mean this plug. So you would take it out on the side, right there. Let me do it with 2 hands. I can't do it with 1 hand. So yeah. Okay, so once you take the plug out from here, just put it in the sides. That's it. That's what you need. Now, to take this thing out, you take 1 screw, Phillips screws right there, and the other one right there, and that's it. Sorry for the sun. I don't want to lose the screws, so I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Now all you have to do is pull down, I think. Yeah, pull downwards, and it just comes out like that. First, you gotta take this out and this out. Once you do that, it should be easy. Let me see if I can do it with the camera and the thing on my hand. Heck, this is the same. I need 2 hands. Give me 1 second. Hi guys. So you see this one in the bottom, this is screwed, and another one over there. All you have to do is take out these 2 plugs right here, and that's it. Now to get to the other ones, that's all you need. You gotta unwrap this. Let me do it right now. Now I unwrapped the whole thing with the zip tie I had in here. So now, what I was hearing carefully, see these 2 ends right here? There should be a loop right here. Right? He said somewhere around here. I don't know. He said put it on top of here. On top of here. I'm guessing I'm gonna put it in the back better, so I won't disturb nothing. So I'm gonna put it behind here. There's a little tiny hole right there. Right there. Let's just drag it. Sorry for the lights in the way. This is a 40-pin connection. So this is the negative cable. He told me to connect this original one from the gauge to one of these, and this is from the back. Plug and play, he said. So I'm gonna connect it and I'll show you. So plug and play, put the old one to the new one, and then this goes to the gauge. Now, you see there's a negative cable here. He told me I don't want to get hit by a car. He told me to pull this down, if I can. I gotta find a better spot to move the car. I'm gonna send it right here. I'm gonna connect everything back. Send it there. Connect everything back. You can put everything back if you want. And the cable, just make sure they go on the bottom. I think I can connect the pedal shifters. I don't know, I gotta see. Let me connect the pedal shifters first. Oh wait, I have to take the screws out. Oh wait. undone that. I'm gonna put the wheel back. Okay. When you first install the putter shifters and get the wires, it's better to do that under it. But since I already took this part out, I already connected. It's around here. See, right here. The other one under here. Connected, and that's it. Now I'm gonna connect everything back and being done. So let me connect this everything back, put everything back together. Then I open this part for the ground, which I put the wires inside there already, and we should be done. So let me finish this up, and I'll catch you in a bit. All right, guys, I put everything back to the original part. I put everything back to the original spot. The same thing. All you have to do is just reverse the video, and you'll see everything. Just plug back everything. No warning lights. Just my trunk is open. Put the screws in, that thing, and that's it. I didn't connect the negative right now because I have to move my car because they're gonna clean the street right now, so I have to do it somewhere else. So just give me a second and I'll show you the other part. Alright guys, just take this out. There's a screw right here, I believe right here under there. See? Take it out. You just take this piece out, the panel. Where is it? Right here. From the top to the bottom. Yank it out. And there's a little golden screw right there in that corner. Let me focus. That screw. Take that screw in and put the negative cable from here to this one. See? That's all you need. Then it starts working. Just give me a second. I need to transfer this and let me be done with this. Once you have that connected to there, focus. Once you have it connected to there, just tighten it down. That's it. We're done and we can use it. Now we put everything back into place. How it was. Put the screws back in right here. Sorry you can't see. Make sure this works. Yep, it works. Then just put this back to its place. I'm pretty much done. It would take, I'm not gonna lie, with everything pedal shifter, I give you half an hour. If you already have the pedal shifters installed, I give it 10 minutes. 10 minutes at the top. So let me put my tool away. And let me get this to show you the test. I'm gonna do another test one to see if it works perfectly. Just let it be green. I can. Okay. Scraping already. I'm happy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm happy. All right, guys. So I'm so satisfied right now. Like, damn. I don't know why the signature edition doesn't come with pre-wires. The pre-wire for the pedal shifters. So I was looking up on the internet and everything, and I looked for somebody on Facebook. He said, "Yo, hook up this guy," and I did. Hit up my boy A2Z Autos. He got good deals. He got good deals for that thing. He got let me show you. He got steering wheels if you need. He got pedal shifters for the G37, G35s from 2007 and 8 sedan. G37 for the coupe, Q60s, Q50s, some parts for BMWs and other parts. You just gotta ask him what he has. Shift knob to, you want to swap this to the 18. You have it just for this, but I recommend to get the whole thing because the stitching is like this from the 18, and it goes follow the thing, and this is gonna be just one stitch in the middle. So try to get that. He's gonna give you the wire harness. Pretty much it. He got big brake kicks with everything. All you have to do is just get the rotors on and pads. He'll give you the hardware, and whatever color you tell him, he'll do it for you. And yeah, man, I'm happy. I'm satisfied with this now. I can fucking slam this thing. Anyways, please give a huge thank you to my guy Andrew for hooking me up. And please make sure you subscribe for better content. Please hit that like button, comment down below what do you think, and hit the notification. I'm gonna leave his link, his link, so you can text him and find him on his Instagram. And yeah, just please subscribe so I can get supportive with everything in here. I know I'm not perfect, but I'm doing my best to do everything here to show you what I can, and that's it. So hope you like, man, the video. See you in the next one.